Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The Best Sea Creatures toys is probably one of the most captivating and educational gifts you can give to a child, sparking their imagination and fostering a love for marine life through interactive play and realistic designs that bring the ocean's wonders right into their hands, making every playtime an adventure into the deep blue sea. Number 5. PREXTEX Plush Toy Shark with 5 Sea Animals. Introducing a fun and interactive stuffed animal gift. This plush shark toy comes with 5 adorable sea creatures inside, including a turtle, whale, octopus, stingray, and crab. Tired of scattered toys? This toy features a clever zippered compartment. It's perfect for storing all the plushies inside, making it great for travel and organized play. Made from durable and washable materials, these surprise stuffed sea animals are incredibly huggable and lightweight. They are safe for toddlers and kids aged 3 and up. Spark your child's creativity with this sea creature plush toy set. It fosters imaginative storytelling and helps children explore marine life while having endless hours of fun. Looking for the perfect gift? This shark plushie set is ideal for birthdays and holidays. It makes a wonderful cuddle buddy, addition to any stuffed toy collection or travel companion. What we like. This toy offers a complete plush shark set with 5 hidden sea creatures. It features a convenient zip-up compartment for easy storage and cleanup. If you are looking for a huggable and safe companion that encourages imaginative play and tidiness, this is the perfect choice for your little ones. What people say. The zippered mouth which stores 5 mini plushies inside is such a cute feature. My daughter loved this cat toy and really enjoyed the kittens that store easily inside. She can operate the zipper without issue. The size of the duck was larger than expected and the softness of the plush was impressive. Number 4. Earth's Code Ocean Animals Dig Kit. Embark on an exciting adventure with our Ocean Animals Dig Kit. Uncover the wonders of marine life right at home. Dig into this STEM toy to reveal 12 different ocean animals, each with its own name to discover. It's a fantastic way to spark creativity and a love for science. Each seashell is individually wrapped, making it a captivating activity for kids. It's the perfect hands-on fun for any under-the-sea themed party. This kit includes 12 surprise ocean animal toys, along with chisels and brushes for excavation. An instruction guide is also provided to help learn fascinating science facts. Get a hands-on experience excavating and identifying various marine specimens. It's a fun way to encourage learning about ocean life and marine science. Looking for a unique gift? This dig kit is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion for kids aged 6 to 12. It's a present that educates and entertains. What we like. This kit provides an exciting hands-on experience where kids can excavate 12 different ocean animals. It's designed to inspire creativity, problem-solving, and a love for science. If your child enjoys interactive learning and discovering new things, this educational dig kit will be a fantastic gift for them. What people say. The toys are made of durable, non-toxic plastic, ensuring safety for children. Each toy features realistic details and vibrant colors, making them visually appealing and educational. The set includes a variety of sea creatures, offering diverse play and learning opportunities. Number 3. GINMIC Kids Ocean Animals Toys with Playmat. Explore a vibrant underwater world with this exciting playset. It features a variety of realistic sea creatures and plants, perfect for imaginative adventures. Crafted from high-quality, non-toxic PVC, these toys are designed for safety and durability. Their perfect size and smooth edges ensure worry-free play for little hands. Unfold a large, soft, and non-slip play mat to create an immersive ocean environment. It's spacious enough for multiple children to play together. These educational toys encourage creativity and learning. They help children develop cognitive skills and learn about marine life through engaging play. Looking for a great gift? This ocean animal playset comes in beautiful packaging with a convenient carrying bag, making it ideal for holidays, birthdays, and travel. With 18 assorted realistic sea animals and plants, the fun never ends. They can embark on countless adventures in their own ocean world. What we like. This playset boasts 18 realistic ocean animal figures and a large, sturdy play mat for immersive play. The figures are made from safe, durable PVC material, perfect for little hands. If you want to create an expansive ocean world for your children to explore and learn in, this set is an excellent option for hours of creative fun. What people say. The toys are made of durable, non-toxic plastic. Each toy has a realistic design and vibrant colors. They are great for imaginative play and learning about marine life. Number 2. Funcorn Toys Ocean Sea Animal 52 Pack. Explore a vibrant underwater world with our 52-piece assorted mini sea animal set. These beautifully detailed figures are crafted from the highest quality, safe plastic material. Discover a variety of fascinating sea creatures, including octopuses, seahorses, jellyfish, and sharks, each approximately 2 inches long. You'll find no duplicates in this exciting collection. These realistically detailed figurines inspire imaginative play and curiosity, making them a wonderful learning toy. They are perfect for encouraging young minds to explore and discover. Use them as a fun cake topper, party favor, or educational project. They also make a fantastic novelty gift for birthdays, Valentine's Day, or Easter. Kids will love playing with these ocean animals in a pool, sandbox, or bathtub. They're great for making bath time an enjoyable adventure for toddlers and children. Made from 100% safety-tested, highest-quality plastic, these toys ensure safe and durable fun for children aged 3 and up. Enjoy peace of mind with every play session. What we like. This set includes a generous 52 mini vinyl plastic ocean animals, all uniquely detailed and made from safe materials. They are perfect for imaginative play, party favors, cake toppers, and especially as bath toys. If you need a large quantity of small, versatile toys for water play, parties, or educational purposes, this collection is ideal. What people say. The toys are well made and durable, perfect for little hands to grasp and play with. Each creature has realistic details and vibrant colors, making them visually appealing for children. These toys are great for imaginative play, encouraging kids to create their own ocean adventures. Number 1. The Fascinating Ocean Book for Kids. Embark on an exciting journey to explore the mysteries of the ocean. Discover a world teeming with life and wonder. Uncover 500 incredible facts about marine life and underwater landscapes. Learn about the creatures that inhabit our planet's vast oceans. This book is packed with fascinating details that will ignite your curiosity. Expand your knowledge with amazing insights from the sea. From the smallest plankton to the largest whales, explore the diverse inhabitants of the ocean. It's a treasure trove of information for young explorers. Get ready for an unforgettable adventure into the ocean's depths. This book is your guide to the most captivating marine world. What we like. This book is packed with 500 incredible and fascinating facts about the ocean. It's designed to be visually engaging for young readers. If you're looking for a way to spark curiosity and provide a wealth of knowledge about marine life in an accessible format, this book is a perfect educational resource for kids. What people say. The toys are made of durable, non-toxic materials, ensuring safety for children. Each toy features realistic details and vibrant colors, making them visually appealing and educational. The set includes a variety of sea creatures, offering diverse play opportunities and learning about marine life. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.